In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Pokemon Go account. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So to recover your Pokemon Go account, obviously the first thing you will need to do is head over to your Pokemon Go and open up the app. Once you open it up, you will be over on this page here, and from here you will need to enter in your date of birth to get to the next stage. So once you have entered in your date of birth, you can now click on submit. And then once you click on submit, the option we want here is obviously returning player, because you will wanting to go ahead and recover your account. So once you click on returning player, what you can see down in the bottom right hand corner of this screen is an option there for can't sign in. So if you click on can't sign in, what that will do is it will redirect you over to your browser. And then as you can see here, there's a whole load of information from Pokemon Go just telling you how you can go ahead and recover your account. But obviously, if you haven't got any of this information, what you can do is simply scroll all the way down to the bottom where you'll see an option for still having trouble, and then this will give you the option to send them a message using their contact form. So what you need to do now is simply click on use this form. Once you click on use this form, you'll be brought to this page here, and as you can see, you will need to enter in your username and your email address. And if you don't know any of this information, it doesn't really matter at this stage, because you will get an email from them at a later stage. So first of all, go ahead and enter in a username. This can be anything you like. Go ahead, enter in a email address, and this needs to be a valid email address that you have access to, because you will receive an email from them later on to try and recover your account. And then the next stage is to enter in a issue category. So if you click on the drop down menu, you have a couple of options here. And the one we need today is sign in issue. So in the next box here is describe your problem. So you can go ahead and put something like, I don't have access to my username. Just something like that, and just tell them a little bit about the problem you are having and why you cannot access your account. And then from here you can go ahead and attach any files, so screenshots from in-game or anything you might have that might help you retrieve your account. So once you have attached any files, you can click on your preferred language. So if you click on select, I will obviously select English. And once you have filled out this form, all you need to do now is simply click on the submit button. Once you click on submit and you have passed the verification, what you will get is an email. So I will be back with you in a couple of seconds once I receive that. So as you can see, this is the email that you will receive. And all you need to do now is simply go ahead and provide as much details and as much information as you can remember about your Pokemon Go account. So that's how you can go ahead and recover your account on Pokemon Go.